Hi, boys and girls. Miss Tigner is here to talk to you about phonics again for this week. Our learning target for this week is I can blend and segment onsets and rhymes of single-syllable words when speaking. Last week we talked about digraphs, and digraphs are made of two letters that make one sound. Digraphs we focused on SH that says sh, CH that says ch, WH that says w, and TH that says th. This week we'll be focusing on blends. And blends are two letters combined to make a new sound, but you can hear both of the letter sounds. And what is better yet than listening to a Jack Hartman video for blends? Let's see. Oops. All right. Miss Tigner went too far. But like Jack Hartman said, that a blend is two letters where we can put those two letter sounds and put them together. So we're going to focus on the blend. BL, and like Jack Hartman said, we put them together. We have B and L, and put them together, and you get bl. So everyone say the sound bl. So the blend bl is in the words blue. You hear that bl, blue. We have bloom. And another word we have is blanket. This is my anchor chart that I'm going to also use. So we have blender, black, blue, blink, blood, blown, and bloom. And for your assignment for today, I want you to write two words. It could be words that we've talked about on the screen in our Jack Hartman video or in our anchor chart, or you can come up with two different words that have the bl sound for our blend, bl or BL. Thank you for joining me today, and I will talk to you tomorrow.